Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so at work today someone was talking about in the old days when they were young and, you know, they were an engineer and they were blowing stuff up in the laboratory by accident. I thought, well, I've got a nice little 4K camera here. This is a Yi 4K. Fantastic. Runs at 240 frames a second. I thought, yeah, I could maybe get some bits outside and connect them up to nasty power supplies and blow some little electronic components up. Alright, the equipment we have today. One fabulous power wall of wonderful madness, showing currently 12.2 volts on the display. Various drawers full of all sorts of components and bits and pieces. Okay, after 3, 2, 1. It doesn't seem to be doing a lot, does it? Might need a little bit more voltage. I have wired in a personal speaker system which is lined full of lithium-ion batteries. If we turn that on, now we've got about 17 volts, 16.8 volts coming out of this guy, and when I turn this on, add that to the 12 volts that's coming out of here, hopefully things should go bang. Here we go. Yay! Success! Here it is, in case you needed to get your eye in. I'm going to put my safety sunglasses on. There we go. And after 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Guess that killed my cables. Nice. Okay, just in case you haven't seen this power supply before, it basically consists of many individually fused lithium-ion cells, and what I've done on the front is I've put 2 terminals and a missile switch. So I thought I'd just go ahead and burn it to smithereens anyway. Let's have a look, see what this bad boy does. There she goes. Just fused immediately straight down here. We were all hoping for something more spectacular. I'll step things up for the next video and see if we can get a proper explosion out of something.